Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Record maintenance and retention requirements. Record maintenance and retention requirements are critical components of risk management and compliance within human resources, particularly in the context of California's rigorous regulatory environment. Effective record maintenance ensures that companies are prepared for audits, legal inquiries, and other compliance checks, while proper record retention policies safeguard against potential legal liabilities and support operational efficiency. California's specific requirements for record maintenance and retention are detailed and stringent, necessitating a thorough understanding from HR professionals. The state mandates that certain records be kept for defined periods, often exceeding federal requirements. For instance, payroll records, which include wage rates, hours worked, and other compensation details, must be retained for at least 3 years under California law. This exceeds the federal requirement of 2 years, reflecting California's proactive stance on employee rights and workplace transparency. The importance of maintaining accurate and comprehensive records cannot be overstated. Inaccurate records can lead to costly legal disputes and penalties. A notable example is the case of Rojas v. Bosch Solar Energy Corp., where inadequate record-keeping led to a class action lawsuit, emphasizing the necessity for meticulous documentation. This case underscores the potential repercussions of non-compliance, including financial damages and reputational harm. Record retention policies are equally significant in mitigating risks. The duration for retaining records varies depending on the type of document and applicable laws. For instance, employment applications and hiring records should be kept for at least 1 year from the date of the hiring decision, as stipulated by the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. This allows companies to defend against claims of discriminatory hiring practices. Additionally, under the Fair Labor Standards Act, records related to wage and hour compliance must be retained for 3 years. Beyond legal compliance, effective record retention practices contribute to organizational efficiency. By systematically archiving and disposing of records according to established schedules, companies can reduce storage costs and improve data retrieval processes. The implementation of electronic record-keeping systems has further streamlined this process, allowing for easier access and better organization of records. However, HR professionals must ensure that these systems comply with California's electronic records regulations, which require that electronic records be as reliable and accessible as their paper counterparts. The role of HR in maintaining and retaining records extends to safeguarding sensitive information. In the era of data breaches and cyber threats, protecting employee data is paramount. California's Consumer Privacy Act imposes stringent requirements on businesses to ensure the privacy and security of personal information. HR departments must implement robust data protection measures, including encryption and access controls, to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive records. An illustrative example of the consequences of inadequate data protection is the 2019 data breach at the California Department of Motor Vehicles, which exposed the personal information of thousands of individuals. This incident highlights the importance of rigorous data security protocols and the potential fallout from lapses in protecting sensitive information. HR professionals must also be vigilant about the destruction of records. Improper disposal of records, especially those containing personal or confidential information, can lead to severe penalties under California law. The California Consumer Privacy Act requires businesses to implement reasonable security measures when disposing of personal information to prevent unauthorized access. Shredding paper records and securely deleting electronic files are essential practices to comply with these regulations. Training and educating HR staff on record maintenance and retention requirements are vital to ensuring compliance. Regular training sessions can help HR professionals stay updated on the latest legal requirements and best practices. Moreover, fostering a culture of compliance within the organization encourages all employees to adhere to record-keeping policies, further mitigating risks. In conclusion, mastering record maintenance and retention requirements is a critical aspect of risk management and compliance for HR professionals in California. By adhering to state and federal regulations, implementing effective data protection measures, and fostering a culture of compliance, companies can mitigate legal risks, enhance operational efficiency, and protect sensitive information. The integration of electronic record-keeping systems and regular training sessions further supports these efforts, ensuring that HR departments are well equipped to navigate the complexities of record maintenance and retention. The examples and statistics provided underscore the real-world implications of non-compliance and highlight the importance of meticulous record management in safeguarding both the organization and its employees. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.